Hello, namaskar everyone. Good morning to all. And this is Tapas Singha from India. So I am reciting my poems for this season, for this session. So I hope you will like them. And thank you all. So my first poem is The Wayfarer. Name of the poem, first poem is The Wayfarer. I have been wandering for 1,000 years. I have been wandering for 1,000 years through muddy roads, pitch roads, footpath. In a stormy day of April, you promised me to meet me, but you have never turned at. April after April elapsed, but I never saw you again. I am still waiting for you. I am still wandering in the busy, known-unknown highway. In the dusty, thorny paths of hamlets, I am still carrying word which I have to convey you. The dust of the roads accompanied me and also strengthened my longevity. I am searching you as a beggar, as a king. I have fully drenched near a bamboo forest in a rainy dark night, yet I did not find you. You have accompanied the clouds I felt, but I failed to discern you. I am still wandering now, making me wayfarer, maybe your wish. Your wish is my wish. And this is my second poem, Jasmine, not Rose. Name of the poem, Jasmine, not Rose. Can you reckon me? Face me fearlessly from front. I am your Jasmine, not Rose. I was the flower of your girth. Every day you watered and sniffed me. I was your beau, and you named your house after me. But the destiny had different planning. That Jasmine turned into your foe under the spell of some unfortunate circumstances. Today you reached the zenith. For this you never thought second to scapegoat your Jasmine. You live happily with your rose now. Let the rose emblazon your wilderness. I will watch it afar and savor my love as it was. So my second poem, and then I am going to read my third poem. So this is called The Whispering Clouds. So name of the third poem, Whispering Clouds. Infinite longings lengthen, the discrepant forces pitch to silence breath. The sail of the boat reef in the middle of the river. The sylvan wind lingers, and the glittering sun withers slowly. The weary sailor looks vertically to the infinite zone and longs to listen the message of clouds. The clouds do not disappoint him. With blessing hands they whisper, move on. So this is the third poem. So I am now going to read my fourth poem, The Assessment. The name of the poem is The Assessment. If you yearn to assess me, place me into your millimeter scale. You can track down my faults easily. Either they are odd or even, aclinic or vertical. If you want more specific assessment, you can use nanometer scale to ascertain the defects. You to be sedulous enough, none is divine. Human beings are blending of good and bad. The way you judge others to adjudge you accordingly. So this is the third poem. and fourth poem, and number fifth poem is Sleep. Name of the poem, Sleep. Sleep, sleep, man, sleep. The dark night has not ended yet, but I have lost my sleep. How can I sleep? Tensions tear up the tranquility and fret down the sleep. My divan is very expensive, and it is made of a teak tree. Yet it does not clean my blemished tresses, nor it soothes my mind. Despite I have to try to sleep, for sleep is the answer of forever sleep. So this is my fifth poem, and I hope if you like, so this is I have added this number 6 poem. The name of the poem, Wireless. If Falcon pastured 100 countries, it roamed from Sahara Desert to Arabian Sea, from the islands of Guatemala to Haiti. Then it spent a season in the great Amazon. Again it was attracted by the New York City. From there it reached Frankfurt. Borders could not prevent it. Then why you canker $1 million for useless borders? Why should people migrate if you say they are for beggars? Yes, they are beggars. If you say they are homeless, yes, they are homeless. It is not their crime. It is the cyanide hoggisses who turn them into beggar and homeless. You cannot isolate them by words. Thank you, namaskar. So hope you like them, and thank you very much.